Hello viewers, let's continue our LeetCode 75 series where we have solved 23 questions out of 75 and now we have to solve one more question. Now we have to start stack. Okay, so the first question of a stack is removing star from string. Okay, so what is the question? So here is question, there is given a string and which contain a star. Okay, and in one operation you can choose a star in S, remove the closest non-star character. If you find the star in a string, then you just have to remove the closest character of the star. Okay, so and after traversing all the character of the string, then you just have to return the string which is left over. Okay, so what do you understand by this? Okay, so you just have to create a stack, a character stack. Okay, where you have to push the character. First you have to push L and then E, then again E and then T. Okay, and if you find the star, then you just have to pop the nearest character. Okay, so you just have to pop the T and then again pop the E for this star and then push back C, then O, then D. Okay, and here you find the star, then again you have to pop the D and then E, you have to push the E. Okay, so what is the overall string? L E C O E. Okay, so you just have to return this string. I hope you understand that what is this question is telling. In a same way, if you find erase, here is given a question example which is erase and there is a 5 star. Okay, here is a 5 star. Okay, and you just have to return the string after removing the character when you get the star. Okay, so you just first you the pointer is here E R A S E. Okay, and after pushing E you will get the star, then you just have to pop, then for this star you just have to pop this, for this star you just have to pop this, for this star you just have to pop this, and for this star you just have to pop this. Okay, so you will get an empty string, you just have to return it. I hope you understand that what this question is telling. You just have to use the stack. So let's do this. First you have to find an n equals to s dot size and then string t equals to, which is empty, and then stack. You have to create a stack which is of character type and the name is st. Okay, and then you just have to push st dot push s of 0. Okay, you just have to push, and then for int I equals to 0, I less than, you have to start from 1, uh, because I have just pushed the 0 element in the stack, and then you just have to start from 1 till I less than n and then I plus plus. Okay, you have to check if s of I is not equals to star, then you just have to st dot push s of I. Okay, and if it is not, then you just have to do st dot pop. St dot pop will work only when you get the star. Okay, uh, and then you just have to return the string while st dot size is greater than 0, then you just have to do t plus equals to st dot top and then st dot pop. Okay, and after this you just have to reverse because stack will return the element in a reverse order. So you just have to return t dot begin comma t dot end. Okay, and then return t. I hope you understand. So let's run this code. There is an error. What is the error? If s of I is not equals to star, single colon. Let's again run this because it is in character, not in string. So yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. Thanks for watching.